This is an example of link state algorithm. Second example. Here we are given some nodes and their cost. The nodes are representing the different routers. And the first row we are able to fill because all the other nodes except U is filled in the first row. Distance to V, distance to W, distance to X, distance to Y, distance to Z, and the predecessor of the corresponding nodes are also there. Since we are able to find the shortest path from U to all other nodes, we are starting the computations from the U. The direct paths are to X, to W, to V. V, X, W. Up to 3 different nodes, there are direct paths from U to V, U to W and U to X, and they are filled with 7, 3 and 5. There is no direct path from U to Y and Z, so they are filled with infinite. Then shortest among these 5 are 3U. So W is a destination. So W is added into the list of N dash. Then we are trying to find all the paths from W to every other nodes. U, W is already found. Then from W for all every other nodes except W itself. So in this case, the column of the W column below the W is not to be filled from this point onwards because we are already selected W into the N dash list. Then the remaining nodes cost from W to V, then from W to X, from W to Y, from W to Z. So they are filled. So we are comparing with this 7U or the path through UW and WV, whichever is shorter, and that will be filled here. I'm repeating. We are having already a path from U to V with 7U, and we are comparing, or we are trying to find another path which is shorter than the previous one which we find, that is through UW to WV. UW to WV we have UW3 plus WV3. So total 6 through W is there. Whichever is shorter, that will be written here. So 6W is the shortest path. And similar to that, U2 X already 5U is there. Then we are trying to reach to X through W. X through W. There is another path 4 and 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Actually, there is a path 3 plus 4 and there is another path UX. Whichever is minimum, 5 through U is minimum. So it is written here. Here it was infinity. At that time, we are not able to reach to Y. Right now, since we are chosen this W into the N dash list, through W we can reach to Y. So UW and WY. UW and WY 3 plus 8, that is 11. That is shorter than infinity. So it is written here. And still we are not able to reach to Z through W. So it is infinite itself.